In the whirlwind of today's fast-paced, constantly shifting world, one element seems to accompany us at every turn: uncertainty. It lingers like a silent shadow, weaving its presence through sudden upheavals in our personal lives, unexpected transitions in our careers, and sweeping global events that shake the very foundation of our sense of safety and stability. At first glance, navigating such unpredictability can feel overwhelming, even paralyzing. Yet, if we look closer, nestled within this chaos lies a quiet yet profound opportunity: the chance to grow, to reflect deeply, and to walk a path that leads us gently but steadily toward inner peace. Uncertainty, after all, is not an anomaly. It is the very fabric of human existence. It speaks to the transient, ever-changing nature of life itself. And while we often crave control, the truth is that control is largely an illusion. The more we attempt to grip tightly onto certainty, the more we suffer when the world inevitably shifts beneath our feet. But what if we viewed uncertainty not as a threat, but as a gateway, a passage into the unknown that, while frightening, also holds the promise of possibility, of experiences that shape us, challenge us, and help us evolve into more conscious and resilient versions of ourselves. This duality, the light and dark of uncertainty, is something vital to understand. On one side, it stirs fear, anxiety, and discomfort. On the other, it becomes a force that urges us to expand, to adapt, and to discover inner strength we didn't know we had. It's in that push, that uncomfortable stretch, where deep transformation takes root. The shift begins with a change in perspective, moving from resistance to acceptance, from fear to curiosity. When we embrace uncertainty, we begin to see with new eyes. The closed door becomes a signal not of loss, but of redirection. Life, in its mysterious wisdom, nudges us toward paths that perhaps better align with our true nature. A powerful tool in this journey is mindfulness, the art of presence, of bringing full awareness to the moment at hand, without judgment, without distraction. When life feels turbulent, mindfulness serves as an anchor, a gentle tether to the here and now. You don't need hours of silence or retreat to practice mindfulness. Simple, consistent acts can create profound shifts. 1. Breathing deeply. Inhale slowly, counting to 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. This rhythmic breathwork calms the nervous system and centers the mind. Just a few minutes in a quiet space can realign your inner world. 2. Meditation. Even 5 minutes a day can plant the seed of stillness. Sit quietly, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts as they rise and fall, like waves returning to the sea. Over time, you may explore body scans or guided meditations to deepen this connection. 3. Mindful journaling. Let your thoughts pour freely onto the page. Ask yourself, what uncertainties am I facing? How do they make me feel? Writing without censoring allows clarity to emerge and brings to light the truths hidden beneath our surface emotions. 4. Nature walks. Reconnect with the living world around you. Walk slowly, pay attention to the colors, sounds, and textures of the earth. Nature has a way of grounding us, reminding us that change is natural and often beautiful. Equally important is self-reflection, the quiet practice of turning inward to examine our responses, our fears, and our hopes. Reflection doesn't require grand gestures. It thrives in small, sacred pauses: a moment before bed, a solitary walk, or a quiet cup of tea at dawn. Ask yourself open-ended questions like, what emotions am I carrying today? Why does uncertainty unsettle me? What past experiences have taught me about change? Who can I lean on during these times? These inquiries invite deeper self-awareness and can reveal patterns and lessons that gently guide our evolution. And don't hesitate to share your reflections with a trusted friend, mentor, or community. Sometimes another perspective sheds light on blind spots and affirms that we are not alone in our struggles. Keep track of your emotional journey. Return to your journal entries and observe the progression. This not only validates your growth, but also strengthens your faith in your own resilience. The teachings remind us that suffering and uncertainty are not detours, they are essential aspects of the human experience. Yet within that realization lies the key to liberation. Reflect on a few essential Buddhist concepts. Everything, from joy to sorrow, success to failure, is fleeting. Understanding this helps soften our attachment to rigid outcomes and opens our hearts to the beauty of change. Mindful acceptance. Instead of resisting life's twists, we learn to meet them with grace. Acceptance does not mean passivity, it means acknowledging our reality with clarity and compassion. Compassion. During uncertain times, be gentle, both with yourself and others. Everyone is walking their own path through the unknown. A compassionate heart becomes a refuge not just for you, but for those around you. Right action. In the face of uncertainty, focus on what can be done. Small steps. Learning a skill, reaching out to someone, staying grounded in routines. Bring a sense of purpose and stability. There are countless real-life stories of individuals who faced immense uncertainty and emerged transformed. A person laid off during a financial crisis might discover a passion for sustainable living or start a fulfilling entrepreneurial venture. Another may walk through the grief of losing a loved one and come out with a profound appreciation for life's fragile beauty, choosing to love more fiercely and live more presently. Even chronic illness, divorce, or unexpected life detours can become powerful teachers, awakening strength, revealing purpose, and deepening empathy. These stories remind us, uncertainty is not the end of the road. It is often the beginning of a more authentic journey. In closing, let us remember that uncertainty is not a curse, but a call to grow, to awaken, to evolve. By turning inward, practicing presence, and embracing the wisdom of spiritual teachings, we can begin to see life's unpredictable nature not as a threat, but as a sacred invitation. As you finish this video, I invite you to carry this perspective forward. View each uncertain moment as an opportunity to lean in with openness and courage. What lies on the other side may surprise you. It may even change your life. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe for more soul-nourishing insights. Together, let's continue to grow with intention, with mindfulness, and with hearts open to life's ever-changing flow.